Hi everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to do Friday Flowers. Today we are making this card today. It's a beautiful card. We are going to complete the spray, do all the layers. I've already done a video on how to make this flower and this flower. We're just going to make the arrangement on the card. I do have a process that I will show you how to make the card, and I'll do it as a speed process. And then I'll slow down the video and then I'll show you how to do the layers. So I'm going to get started and I'll show you all the products you'll need to complete this card. So I'm using this die for the topper. These are the flowers. I'm using this set for some of the filler flowers. These are the leaves I'm using for the layers. This is one of my favorite dies for some of the fillers. I'm using this. I've already done a video on how to make this flower. This is the sentiment, of course. And then this is for the nesting die. So I'm going to get started. I hope you enjoy. And I'll speed up the video so you can see how the card is created. And again, I'll slow it down for this process. Okay, now that we have put the card together, we're going to start with the flower spray, and we're going to use this leaf right here. I have already cut out all the pieces that we need, and I have some of the little tiny flowers from this set. I've already done videos on how to put these flowers together and these flowers together, so I have those handy, and I'll set those out right there. And then we have this from the necklace that we will include in the layers, and I have some little tiny leaves right here just to fill in any blank spots. So I'm going to get started, and we're going to emboss this leaf right here to pair onto the card. So I'm just going to do that. And I'm going to start with, actually, this is the Mcgill 4mm. So it's going to zoom in just a tad and give it some shape. On just all the little leaves. Then when you want to give it some more shape, just trace along the little vine like that. So this is how it looks so far. Okay, so I'm going to bring our card back, and then I'm using this art glitter glue, and we're just going to glue it right along here. So that's going to be our first layer. I'm just going to give that some glue just along the little vine. And then we're going to press it like right along the happy birthday. Just like that. Okay, so what we're going to do next is place our big flower down and start pressing in some of the leaves and little flowers and tucking things here and there. So I have this, and I'm going to place this one on here too, and then we'll just start filling everything in. I'm just going to place this like right along here. And then I think I'm going to use, I'm going to cut this about, trying to see how much do I need. I want to say I want this much. So I'm just going to trim this off. And we'll just need about that much. Okay. And then I'm going to take my embossing stylus and it's really not going to do much, but we're just going to give it some curl. Okay, so it has looks like that, and then this one is going to go this direction, so I'm just going to trim it down, and I'll just need about that much of it. Okay, and we'll do about the same. Okay, and I'm just gonna trim this just a tad right at the top. Okay, and bring our card back and give it some glue. And I'm just going to tuck this in right about here. It's going to be under here. Okay. All right. And I'm going to add some tiny leaves. Here and there. So I'm going to add some leaves like right along here. We'll tuck that in there. Then I have these little flowers right here. We'll add those. Like right in here. Then I'll bring back the piece that I was working on. Oh, let's move this one in here. And I'm going to add that in here. And put that like right in there. You can tuck that like right down in here. Then we'll add some flowers like leaves right down in here. So I'm just going to shape that. It's all what you think you may need. So I'll give that some glue. And I just cut off a piece that was a part of the original vine that I shared in the beginning. So I'll just lift this up. And press that in. Okay. And this needs more glue. There. And then I'm going to add some flowers. Right along here. We're almost done. And I want to add more leaves. It's just all a matter of what you like and how full you want your spray to look. And I just want to tuck that in right in here. Okay, so I'm looking at it and I'm going to add some pearls. So I'm going to get my clip stick. Just going to add some pearls right in here. And I have another pearl I'm going to add. Add that right in here. And we're going to add another flower. and I'm going to add it like right up in here. I'm going to add some glue. Okay, and now I'm going to look at it and see, does it need anything else? Okay, I'm going to add one more leaf, and then that will complete this card. I'm just going to tuck it in like right in here under this. Let's see if I can get something to press this down. Okay, so here we go. This is the finished spray on the card. I hope it wasn't too hard to do, but it's just a matter of just looking at it and deciding what you need to do, what needs more here, what needs more there, and I really love how this turned out. And here's the other one. They look completely different, as you can see, but still really pretty. So I hope you found this helpful. That's just my thought process when I'm making these. I just put leaves here and there where I think it should go. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll do more as time goes on. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.